To edit your chart, you first need to select it. Then you can use either the pop-up task pane visible to the right, the ribbon, or the contextual menu available when you right-click on the chart to select the appropriate option. You can use the way you like the most. By default, we recommend using the task pane as the most convenient option. Let's see how we can edit the source data for your chart. To do it, click this icon on the task pane. For charts created from Excel cells, you can edit the ranges by clicking the plus icon and then selecting the new range. You can also remove the existing range and select a new one. When you click the Update Chart button, your chart will be updated. For charts created from pivot tables, you can change the pivot table to be used as the source for your chart, as well as the data field. In addition, you can change basic settings like grand totals, smart sort, or category labels. Again, when you are ready, click the Update Chart button and your chart will be updated. To edit the formatting of your chart, click this button. It is important that you understand the way you can edit your chart. Firstly, you need to select a specific series that you would like to edit, and then either all points or a specific point to edit. Then and only then you can edit your selected chart element. Let's select the fourth point and make it cumulative. In addition, let's select the last point, Europe, and make it a sum of the 3 previous points. As you can see, it is very easy and quick to do. To change the formatting, let's select all points and click the FC button for forecast, so we can format the whole chart as a forecast scenario. As you can see, waterfall charts allow for formatting according to basic scenario settings, as well as variance scenario settings. More on these settings will be discussed in the next tutorial of this Getting Started guide. Let's keep the cumulative bars formatted like basic scenarios and the specific points like variance. Simply select each one from the list and click the correct button. When we edit variance or waterfall charts formatted as variance, we can set whether the increase in value should be treated as a good change, a bad change, or neutral. Just click the appropriate button and it will get formatted instantly. The last option is the possibility to highlight a specific point to draw user attention to it. Let's select the last point and highlight it by clicking the appropriate button. XLBuddy allows for easy and quick bulk chart formatting. You can select all your charts using this button and then click the formatting button on the task pane. Now, you can select a specific point and then format it the way you want, or select all points and format all charts as required. To edit chart labels, please select this task pane button. Just like with visual formatting, you need to select what series and point you want to edit. Before we proceed, a bit below we can see the density setting, which can be used to dynamically show only specific, predefined labels. For example, it can show only the minimum and maximum values. The shown labels will change dynamically based on the underlying data. Once you select a specific point, for example, the last one, we can highlight the label to draw attention to it. We can also change the label's positioning, moving it to the left, for example, or change the font size or boldness. Please note that there are a few buttons which allow you to revert to the default formatting or label positioning. We can also change the number formats of labels. There are multiple predefined formats which you can select. You can add or remove decimal places and click Apply to adjust your labels. You can also type in a custom number format using English convention. This can be any number format you like, and it provides the needed flexibility. At the bottom, you have options related to category labels. You can change the size or orientation of the labels. You can also show or hide them as needed. We encourage you to check all these options yourself and see how easy it is to create a perfect chart with XLBuddy.